Hi, this is the Tune synthesizer tutorial number 3. This time I'm gonna make more complex patch, and in the tutorial I think I can introduce some of a unique parameter and the important parameter of this synthesizer. So let's get started. First, initialize patch, and then this is the initialized sound. This time I'm gonna make one of my favorite sound, that is a bandpass filtered triangle. So just go oscillator 1, set the triangle. One unique thing about the triangle and this synthesizer is the triangle is made of square wave. So the still PWM can be applied to triangle wave. So the sound gonna be like this. So put the bit amount of parts width. And then next setting some envelope. And I wanna make a bit more louder. So go to the mixer menu and then change the volume. Next I go filter section, VCF, and then select the filter type to the bandpass filter. And then now you don't hear anything because the bandpass filter is the filter passes only certain amount of the frequency range. So I need to adjust the cutoff. I want some resonance. Yep. And the problem of a bandpass filter is tone gonna be changed by playing note. So the tone gonna be kind of inconsistent by the entire keyboard range. So, but there is a way to compensate it. This is the option called the VCF key sync. If you set this value to around 50, then the cutoff frequency is followed by playing keynote. You can get a more consistent tone in the entire range of keyboard. Now I want to make it this as a 2 voice. So set it to duo mode and the synchronized between oscillators parameter. And also I want to make it velocity sensitive. So this is okay, here is a velocity switch in the other menu. So I just turn this on. So now it's velocity sensitive also. It has 2 voices. Then I want to put some modulation. Let's go LFO. Let's stick with sine wave. Then lower the frequency for this. Then go back to oscillator 1 and then put some modulation. So I want to put a little bit of frequency modulation from LFO as well as path phase. So that gives a little bit of kind of inconsistent feeling in the tone. I also want to add some tremolo. That's too much. Okay. And since I changed some parameters, goes to the voice menu again. And then synchronize the both oscillator one more time. And let's make some differences between the oscillators. So just put the different pathways to oscillator 2 and just add a little bit of detune to the only to the oscillator 2. Good. Let's use Keystep Pro's sequencer. I mean the arpeggiator.